You are going to love the 2022 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, battery saver, capless fuel filler system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.